ServiTecno and Design. Repair and design your work. Have your computer be working in optimal conditions? Or did your hard drive fill up? Or do you need to get out of trouble with your designs? Well, ServiTecno and Design is your best choice. Come see our cheap prices and promotions. We assure you that our services are reliable and safe. We have opened our service points in compliance with sanitary measures, or we offer you home service so that you don't have to leave home and don't risk your life for the coronavirus. Call us at 5846-6952. ServiTecno and Design will be happy to help you.